Hey guys, it's Jack again, and I am here at the studio working on a dress, and I wanted to share a quick tip with you about darts. Now, I like the way darts look. I never really liked trying to get them traced onto my pattern, so the way I used to do it is I would take the pattern and I would lift it up and draw the line like this. But that's not very accurate. So what I now do is I take my paper scissors and I cut up one side of the dart like so, all the way to the dart point, and then I fold the other side in. So your dart will look like this. And then what you do is you take your handy dandy tracing wheel pen and you mark your dart that way. It's a lot, well, for me it's a lot easier, it's a lot quicker, and it's definitely more accurate. So there is your tip for the day for when you're making an item with darts. Have a good day, guys.